Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a video with my Ugandan friend, and I'm gonna be taking her to a Jamaican restaurant here in Tokyo.
Hi guys, how you doing?
Yes.
So
guys.
today Sashani is taking me to this place. It's called, what is it called? I forgot the name.
Goodwood
Terrace. Yeah. And I'm so excited. She told me I need to try, what is it called?
Curry mutton, if they have it.
Yeah. And this is gonna be my first time because I've tried jack chicken, jack pork, and I'm super excited, guys. Let's go and find out what's the buzz about this Jamaican food, because I love to eat, but this girl is making me excited for this. So yo, shall we go and try this mutton already?
Okay guys, and also
Yeah.
she is a YouTuber.
Oh
so
yeah, guys, please subscribe to my channel, Hapra. She's gonna link it below.
Yes.
So guys, you know the vibes already. By the way, guys, drip. So I have Ivy Park on the drip. Do they have it on the menu?
curry goat. Yes, here it is.
Curry goat, not the mutton.
Yeah, curry goat.
Is it the same?
Same thing.
Oh, really? Okay.
We're about to order. We have the menu here. Yes.
Curry goat.
Yes, we're definitely going to order curry goat. Curry goat, where is it?
I thought it's like different from mutton. What's mutton?
No, so goat is the name of the animal, but the meat is called mutton.
No,
Yeah.
mutton is sheep.
No, it's
Girl, we would no. Which
in Jamaica.
Oh, okay.
We call mutton goat. Yeah. So when we say mutton, curry mutton in Jamaica, we're talking about goat meat.
You see, this is why I need to travel.
Yes.
Okay, so like the whole time you're telling me, because I usually eat like what is it called, lamb, like lamb chops and all that, because that's sheep, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so that's what I thought, like it's that. Anyway, I'm excited to try it.
All right, so
Where's the menu?
well, this is a drink menu.
Lunch menu. Oh, it's you better have English.
I wonder if they have red pea soup.
Red
Red peas.
soup?
Yeah, that's very good.
Really?
Yes, red pea soup.
Last time I tried the rundown.
Mackerel rundown.
Maybe. No, it's like
Manish water.
I don't know, but it's called
It's soup?
rundown. Yeah, soup.
Manish water.
I don't know. No, it's called rundown.
Mackerel rundown is not soup.
It's sauce, right?
It's like a white looking, coconut looking thing.
Yeah, it had coconut. Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's not soup.
This one, sauce.
It's like, it would be like curry mutton, but like something that you eat with rice.
Yeah, I tried that. That was really good. It was
Yeah.
my first time.
That's good. Alright, so definitely getting jerk chicken.
You are?
Yeah, no. Jerk chicken and curry mutton.
Okay.
Yes. And if it's red pea soup, I get
Wait, this is your first time here?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I've been here so many times, but I always get the same thing: jerk chicken, jack pork, and rice and peas. That's all. So this is really interesting. Sumimasen. Onegaishimasu. Jerk chicken?
Yeah, jerk chicken.
Jack chicken set.
Yes.
Set?
Yeah, set.
What does it have on the set?
The set is with rice and peas.
Yeah, rice and peas.
Okay.
Only rice and peas.
Only rice and peas?
Yeah.
Okay. And jerk, what is it called, mine?
Curry mutton. Do you have curry mutton?
Curry goat?
Curry goat,
Curry
yes.
goat, yes, okay. Curry goat.
Curry goat, what does set?
No lunch menu.
It's not on lunch menu. いいよ、別で。
別で
はい。
カレーゴー
何がついてる？
カリゴとは単品。
単品？
単
ご飯とかは？
はついてます。セットでつけます。
セットにしてもらっていいですか？
セットでライスンピース。
Okay, yes, お願いします。So do you eat it with
No,
rice and peas?
with white rice.
White rice みたい。
ホワイトライスはないです。はい。
Okay.
Okay.
があとフェスティバル。フェスティ
Okay.
バルプレート。
Festival with jerk chicken.
What is festival?
Okay, yeah. Festival, okay.
フェスティバル。
Yeah, but
Okay.
rice, you probably can eat with rice and peas. So
What is festival? What?
festival is like a dumpling, but it's
Oh, okay.
with sugar.
Okay.
So yeah, so I want to order festivals on the side.
Okay.
So get your curry mustard with rice.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
with rice
はい
and peas.
お願いします。
はい、じゃあフェスティバルが一つ。
You should know what came into my head was はい。あ、
こちらのジャークチキンセットをじゃなくてジャークチキンとフェスティバルのセットで。
Oh, the festival comes in
They have also Jack Chicken Festival set. You want that?
with rice and peas in it.
No. It's you choose one, either festival or
I want both.
both. あ、なんかじゃあ単品。
単品。
多分フェスティバルが単品。どっちが安い？
一応こっちの方が安いです。こ
あ
ちらは
セットで安い
セットのがライスンピースと、あとドリンクかスープ
ついてる
はい、どっちかついてるんで安いです。ランチが一番安い。
Okay, じゃあ、like this is cheap because it comes with a drink and food. あと飲み物は what do you want to drink? You said mango juice?
Mango juice.
Okay.
For the soup, what's in the soup? What kind of soup is it? Is it red pea soup?
スープは、オニオンスープみたいな。
Oh,
セット
no.
このスープは
Oh, no.
ダメです。
No.
で単品のスープは、
はい
パンプキンスープです。
Pumpkin soup だね。
はい、こちら単品はでもセットはちょっと簡単なスープみたいな。
Okay. No.
Oh, the soup comes in a set for me.
Yeah, they have, but
Okay.
it's onion soup basically. But that's not that's
That's
not
not
Jamaican,
Jamaican,
right?
no.
あれジャメイカのじゃないよね。
そうですね。
Okay.
はい、
で、私は飲み物は、I will drink 一緒。
マンゴージュースで大丈夫ですね。でジャークチキンセットが一つと、あとカリーゴーとライスンピースが一つと、
はい
あとフェスティバルが一つ、
はい。
Oh, festival for
と
me.
あと単品でマンゴージュースがお一つ。
Yeah, you know, I want you to try it.
Yeah, but how many are they?
It's just a small one.
Really? なんか festival one only だけ？
いや、3ピースです。
3 piece だけ。
Okay,
Okay.
大丈夫です。
Okay.
はい、ありがとうございます。
はい、ありがとうございます。Yay! Let's see how it comes. Our mango juice. Guys, look at that. Goodwood Terrace.
Oh,
yeah.
That's
Anyway,
nice.
cheers.
Kanpai.
Bye.
And it's good.
Good.
Yeah.
You know why I like coming to these kind of places? I can drink authentic mango juice. Like in most restaurants, besides Thai restaurants, the juice is so diluted.
So we got our food here. I got my jerk chicken, and she got her curry mutton, and also festival.
Guys, this is so funny because when they said festival, I thought the guy was saying we eat this on a festival or something. So you said festival, I want festival. I was like, what are you talking about? Anyway, this is my first time. Gonna try this for sure. What is this? A snack?
So it's people usually eat it with like jerk chicken. Yeah.
Really?
So yeah.
It looks like something you put in sauce.
This is actually fried, so it's like fried flour.
Okay.
Yeah.
Festival.
Try it. I want you to try that first.
I want to try this first.
No, don't try that first.
Really?
Yes,
I
when
thought this
you
is-
put it fresh.
I thought this is dessert, no? Oh my god.
Let me taste it and ensure that it tastes good.
We have this in Uganda though.
Maybe it has another name. Festival.
But for us it's more really brown outside. We call this mandazi in my country.
Okay. Same taste?
Same taste. We have this, guys. Anyone who's gonna watch this video and you're from Uganda or Kenya or whatever, we have this, right, guys? I think we call this mandazi. I think in Kenya you have a name for it, but in Uganda we have it as mandazi. I swear it tastes just the same. Does it taste like this in Jamaica?
Yeah. It's alright. Yeah.
It's alright.
Yeah, it's okay. It's not like, I wouldn't give it like a 100%. But it's like maybe an 8 or 9. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is much better than the one that I had in Okinawa though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had it in Okinawa.
And this is better.
Yeah, this one is better.
That restaurant, what is it called?
I don't remember.
I've been there. It's called. Never mind.
They're very popular.
It's by the beach, right?
Yeah. And it's much bigger than this place.
Oishi.
Very
I
delicious.
didn't know you guys have this in Jamaica.
No, but Jamaican Africans are Africans. Well,
I swear we have the same thing. Like it tastes exactly like this. We call it mandazi.
festival.
How do you write that? The same way as you write festival?
Like Jamaica festival, summer festival thing.
Wow. We eat this for breakfast in Uganda.
We eat this with fish, like fried fish.
What?
Yeah. So that's why I said maybe we could eat like
Fish? We eat this with milk tea or something like that. That's for breakfast, I swear. How do you eat something so sweet like this with fish?
This is not that sweet.
It is sweet.
Just a little sweet.
I swear this is our breakfast in Uganda. This and the milk tea like chai tea. Perfect combo, girl.
You have fried dumpling. That would be for breakfast. So, but it's
You know, I see people talk about dumplings. I've never tried those two. I really want to try.
that would be for breakfast. Not this.
Wow.
We eat anything at any time though.
Really?
But we wouldn't have like rice and peas for breakfast
It's for lunch?
or dinner. Unless it's like Sunday morning and we don't want to actually fry an egg or something, then we'll have leftovers.
Wait, I feel like,
You're eating too much?
yeah. And then when I eat my goat, my curry. What do you eat this with? Fork or spoon?
Pork. We don't eat with spoon or tissue.
Really?
Do you have a fork? That's not a fork. I don't know what the heck that is. So, usually we eat curry with white rice.
Ah,
Because
okay.
it tastes a lot better. Guys, they even have braised hot pepper. Can you imagine?
Yeah,
This is very
we're
popular.
really in Jamaica?
Yeah. This is like on a table.
Do you put it in the?
I want you to try it. First.
Okay.
And I want to try it too.
I want to try it too to see if it's the authentic one.
What is it?
Whoa! Whoa!
So dramatic. Eh?
No, seriously.
This is good. This is very good, guys. Very, very good.
Seriously, this would be so perfect with white rice.
Do you like pepper?
Yeah. But let me eat one more bite.
But you can just put a little. But this is not very hot. Though.
Really?
Yeah. But put a little to try it first.
ねえ、これめっちゃ美味しい。
So when you come back next time, we're gonna have this.
You know what I like about the meat is also soft. Wow.
Let me try my curry. My curry. Let me try my drink.
Guys, seriously. So I've been sleeping on this dish. I've been here so many times and it never occurred to me that I should eat something like this.
And the jerk chicken is good. It just needed some more pepper.
Yeah?
Yeah. You can try it.
I've had it so many times here.
You can try it. Have you tried it with pepper?
No.
Try with pepper.
But you put so much, it's not spicy.
No.
You sure? Are you sure? Let me try it just.
Because the pepper is not that hot.
Then why? So you guys are not good with pepe?
No, this one is not that hot. It's not hot.
It's
That's
not
all
hot.
good.
Yeah. I could do that. I could do this.
And the rice and peas is good.
Yeah? Wow.
I can taste the scallion. Scallion or onion.
The what?
Scallion.
The onions?
Do you know scallion?
No.
Scallion is like a long thing that comes from onion.
Ah, yeah. They use that for rice and peas?
Yeah, you put it in scallion on thyme and sometimes garlic and onion to help season the rice with the coconut milk.
No, but I like this better.
Like recipe.
Yeah. I'm gonna order this from now on. Damn, why did you show me this? Now I have a reason to come here.
This is my first time here. Can you imagine?
Guys, this food, this is, what would you rate this?
Probably an 8 because it needed some more pepper. It does. It's usually a little spicy, and even the jerk chickens are usually a little spicy. But it's good because I had very low expectations because whenever I try stuff in Japan, like Jamaican stuff, it's always lacks something.
Really?
But this is.
But you guys are too like anani, kibishi. Like you're too strict about food. Like you're always like, it's lacking this, that. We just enjoy food, like whatever. So
Yeah,
will you
love it.
die because it lacks pepper?
No, but I'm eating, aren't I? Yeah, I'm eating.
Anyway, guys, I'll give this a 10 out of 10. I swear. I just feel like I
Okay, you
wish.
haven't had it in Jamaica, that's why.
Maybe,
But
but I have a reason now to go. Yeah, I have so many reasons to go to Jamaica.
Yep.
Oh my god. You put potatoes too?
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
I need to bring my dad here now. Now that I think about it. If anyone has been here and you tried any of these dishes, please write them down below in the comments. Tell us what you recommend for me to try the next time I come here, because I feel like I'm gonna be eating this the whole time I come here, every single day.
I'm full. Well, almost full.
Almost?
Yeah.
I'm full.
Yeah.
Like, yo, I ate all that curry. You see that? I mean, I still have some rice and peas, but yo, it's dry. I have no sauce. Apparently, she told me the meat is expensive, so that's why. But I paid for it.
Yeah.
If
No,
I'm paying,
the meat, the meat normally is expensive.
so
Yeah, so you're not gonna expect to get a lot of meat.
I should eat dry rice and peas?
Yeah. Or you should just mix it up in it when you're eating.
No, I won't feel that sauce very well. But anyway, let me eat my festival and finish it.
It sounds like some feminine
But
product.
it was 10 out of 10, honestly. I'm so glad I came here. Yeah, thank you for bringing me.
You're welcome.
Yeah. But I feel like I need another mango juice, but whatever, I'm just gonna drink water.
This is the best taste in jerk chicken that I've had in Japan.
Really? Compared to the, it's called bar flex in Okinawa.
Yeah.
Flex, right? You really?
Yeah, this has more seasoning
Than the one there?
Yeah.
As good as it can get.
And it has, well, I put this pepper on it, so now I'm tasting the pepper. But yeah, it tastes much better.
Like when I used to eat it.
But I like that one because it's more juicy.
The one in Okinawa, this is closer to the Jamaican taste than the one in Okinawa.
I'll get it.
Plus they have this. This is very good at back.
You recommend to all Jamaicans
Yeah.
in Japan?
But it's a popular place though. A lot of Jamaicans come here.
Yeah, but not everyone. So you should tell the ones who haven't been.
Yes guys, so please come to
Come through. Look, I'm eating festival
Yes.
for the first time from Jamaica. Oishi. Why am I saying oishi? It's really good, guys. Very, very delicious. I
And the
feel
mango
like,
juice is good.
why did you say something else that you said I didn't try? What is it called?
What, red pea soup?
That? But there's something else you said that I didn't try.
Manish water?
No. Anyway, I haven't tried so many. Like, actually, now that I think about it,
But it's not on the menu.
I only tried the chicken, the pork, and the rice and peas. That's it. So today, and the rundown.
Yeah.
It depends on like which area, but there are a lot of
But maybe after today, like with the curry goats, maybe
And try with white rice.
I should try it with.
Yeah, white. It tastes better with white rice.
I don't know why they don't have white rice.
Probably because rice and peas is more popular. So thank you for watching my video. Please head over to Hapra.
Say it with respect.
Hapra.
Hapra.
I'm gonna leave her link in the description box below.
Yep.
Okay guys, please remember to subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe, guys. Like this video. Okay, it really helps a lot. Don't forget to turn on the bell for notifications. Okay,
Yes, and share this
comment.
video.
What was your favorite part in the video? Okay, tell us. Okay, you know the vibes, guys. Come on, she's on her way to 1,000, by the way.
Yes.
I have a long way to go, but with your guys' help, I know I can do it.
but other than
Anyway, guys, see you next time. Bye.